So, I got this cute little parrot fish yesterday, and I've got them set up in a small tank for now, so they can have little caves. Within an hour, he'd already claimed this as his little territory. Super feisty. He's super yellow with a lot of bars on him, so I'm not sure. I guess he'll be pink, but any thoughts on what color he'll be would be great. He's gonna be the dominant one. He's pretty much pecking at everyone, including this pretty polar blue convict parrot. I went into the store trying to buy a geophagus, which I did get, but then they sold me this. They put this in the bag. Then they said it might be a keyhole, but I'm pretty sure it's an Acara. I just hope it's not a green terror. If anyone has any thoughts on what that one might be. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's really cute. I hope he doesn't get too big or too aggressive. Waiting for the pet store to get more silver dollars. They only had one female. Things are short supply right now. Fish store is just opening. No one has any stock really.